Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. I have a lot of videos that show you how you can move windows from one screen to the other, how to split windows, and then, go in and have two windows next to each other. One thing I haven't showed y'all, well, there's going to be a couple of things. So I have two windows there, right? One of them is, let's say that I went in here and I was watching a video. Let me just pick any video. And I'm gonna turn down the
Are you
voice.
thinking about?
Okay. So you see this video here. Let's say I want that same window in another monitor. Okay. So if I click here, okay, and then I hit Alt D, Alt return, is going to give me that same window. If you notice, you see, this is the YouTube that we were watching, and here it is. So the command would be Alt D and then Alt Enter, and that's going to give you the same window. So that's real helpful when you're having instructions and it's telling you how to do something and you don't want to close that window, but there's other parts of that video that you want to see, like the text of it, on a different monitor. Okay, now another thing you can do, so you see this, if I select this tab right here, and let me move this to a different, not move it, but let's open up a different video. So let's say this video here. And same thing, I want to duplicate this video right here, okay? Or basically this whole window right here, right? If I right click right in here on this tab, look, I can hit duplicate, right? So I duplicate, gives me a new tab, and then I could put it in a different window. So see, I got this and this. Now, some other cool stuff that you can do is, let's say that you're watching this video here, this one right here, okay? And you wanted to see from here all the way to here. You want to fill this all the way down there. So watch what I'm going to do. If I'm here and I just hit the T key, you see how it filled it from here to here? Another thing, I don't know what you want to do, that do it this way, because here you can watch the video, it fills the from side to side, and you still can see this other stuff right here, right? Another thing you can do is hit F, and it'll do that for you. So that's kind of cool. So that was just some of the things I wanted to show you. There's a bunch of, I got other videos that show you how to, do a lot of stuff with the Windows, but this is something that I recently learned. And there is one more thing that I wanted to show y'all. So let's say I have a window and it has a I filled up the whole screen. And in the past, if I would hit Windows, and let's say I wanted this window here, or let's say this tab, and I wanted to fill, I wanted to fill this monitor with this tab. Before, I would go in here, copy and paste, and then open up the YouTube and then paste it. But watch what you can do. If you're here, if you hit, oh no, I already showed you that. Excuse me. Let's say that I want to move it exactly from there to the right. If I hit my Shift, Windows, and right key, you see how it filled it in? Same thing. Look, so I'm going to move it to this monitor and then move it to that monitor. Okay. Now, let's say that I had it half the monitor, right? Now I want to duplicate to the right and to the left, having it in the right of the monitor. If I hit my Windows and Shift and our right arrow, it goes to the right of that monitor. Same thing. Let's say that I want to bring it. So let's say that if I had it to the right and I hit Shift Windows, it'll give me half of that monitor. So, you know, there's a, I thought that's pretty cool, because before I would, let's say that I had the whole screen like this and I wanted to move it to the right, I would hit Windows, right key, and then right key, then right key. So, you know, now you can just hit Windows. If I want to, you know, use half of this monitor, move it to the other half of the monitor, all I hit is Windows Shift left. So I thought that's pretty cool. I use it a lot now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.